Hello, welcome to my channel. I will read the schedule of Africa World Cup qualifier 2026 in the game week 10 in the match in the Sunday. The first, Zambia versus Niger, kick off in 13 o'clock. Chad versus Central African in kick off in the 16 o'clock. In the Djibouti versus Sierra Leone, kick off in 19 o'clock. Mali versus Madagascar, kick off in 19 o'clock. Ghana versus Comoros, kick off in 19 o'clock. Egypt versus Guinea-Bissau, kick off in 19 o'clock. Burkina Faso versus Ethiopia in kick off in 19 o'clock. In the match in the Monday, first South Sudan versus Togo, 13 o'clock. Tunisia versus Namibia, kick off in the 16 o'clock. Equatorial Guinea versus Liberia, kick off in 19 o'clock. In Sao Tome versus Malawi, kick off in 19 o'clock. Mauritius versus Libya, kick off in 16 o'clock. And Cameroon versus Angola, kick off in 16 o'clock. Mauritius versus Libya, kick off in 16 o'clock. And Cape Verde versus Eswatini, kick off in 16 o'clock. Lesotho versus Zimbabwe, kick off in 16 o'clock. Next, in the match in this Tuesday, in the first, Seychelles versus Gambia, kick off in 13 o'clock. Somalia versus Mozambique, kick off in 16 o'clock. In Algeria versus Uganda, kick off in 16 o'clock. South Africa versus Rwanda, kick off in 16 o'clock. Nigeria versus Benin, kick off in 16 o'clock. Guinea versus Botswana, kick off in 16 o'clock. Ivory Coast versus Kenya, kick off in 19 o'clock. Gabon versus Burundi, kick off in 19 o'clock. Democratic Congo, kick off in versus Sudan, kick off in 19 o'clock. And the next, Morocco versus Congo, kick off in the 19 o'clock. In last Tuesday match African qualifier in Senegal versus Mauritania, kick off in 19 o'clock. This is the new schedule Africa World Cup qualifier game week 10 2026. See you.